Whatchamacallit, yeah. We posted on the block, and something exotic. 07, yeah, the same color, hypnotic. On the outside looking, and I won't in. My homie did the same thing, and he got 10. Just took a loss, still trying to win. Hey, I'm trying to get back, so what you trying to spin?
Trap all day, play all night. This is the life of a, the life of a go get her, go get her, go get her. In the club you see a bad bitch, point her out. Yeah, you're damn right, you're damn right, go get her, go get her, go get her.
We live like in the ends like it's no tomorrow. Get around hard like it's no today. And do the same shit like it's yesterday. The game never stops, so who's next to play? It's all on. You can place your bets. I'm just getting started, so I ain't done yet. Risk it all, you can lose your life. What else could I say? That's a hell of a price. I don't under cause I overstay. No time for mistakes, so I overplay. I'm in the club like what? 4-5 minutes, and I'ma stay thugging till the fans come get me.
Trap all day, play all night. This is the life of a, the life of a go get her, go get her, go get her. In the club you see a bad bitch, point her out. Yeah, you're damn right, you're damn right, go get her, go get her, go get her. Hey, hey, this is how we play when we roll up to the club, high sitting on 20 trays. Pop out like we fabulous, top models grabbing us. They let them go get us only in America. Put the D on chicks like Wallace. Turn them throwing down, they can have all this. Can't deny it when you see the wheels spinning. Boy, Kells out the coupe in Miami, white linen. Chips big spending. Walk up out the club with a shitload of women. Soon as I see what I like, I'ma get it. I'ma get it. Ooh, I'ma get it. Cause I'ma go get it. Trap all day.